Hello beta, good morning. In previous video we have discussed about solution, colloidal solution and suspension. Okay, before we will start the separation technique of mixtures, we will discuss little bit more about solution, suspension and colloidal. In solution, two particles are there. One is called solute and another is called solvent. Already I have informed you about solute and solvent, but again I am repeating here. Solute is a first solution is a mixture in which two particles are mixed. Solute is a matter or particle which is present in lesser amount in a solvent. Okay, solvent is a particle in which solutes are dissolved, which is available in larger amount. Solute is a particle which is dissolved in solvent, that is present in lesser amount. For example, salt plus water. Here salt is solute and water is solvent. Okay beta, like a solute and solvent, in suspension there will be two particles. One is suspended particle and next one is medium. Like a solution it is solute and solvent, and in the suspension it is suspended particle and medium. For example, chalk and water. Here water is a medium in which one particle is suspended, that is a chalk. Or sand and water. Here water is a medium in which sand is suspended. Similarly, now we will discuss about colloidal. In colloidal there are two substances are present. One is called dispersed phase. Dispersed phase. Okay beta, and next one is dispersing medium. Like a solute and solvent, in colloidal it is known as dispersed phase and dispersing medium. Okay, so now we will discuss about dispersed phase is like a solute and dispersing medium is like a solvent or like a medium. Okay beta, so now we will see that dispersed phase and dispersed medium, dispersed phase and dispersing medium. In your textbook table number 18 there is few dispersed phase, dispersing medium is given, and here is few examples as well. But before example there is a types and at last some examples. Okay beta, so first dispersed phase. You can see in your textbook there is a liquid and here gas is given. Means what is the meaning of liquid and gas? Dispersing medium is gas and dispersed phase is liquid. Means gas is a medium in which liquid are mixed. gas is like a water in which liquid is like a salt is mixed. Understood? So dispersing medium and dispersed phase is a material which is mixed in dispersing medium, and dispersing medium is a material or matter in which dispersed phase are mixed. Understood बेटा? डिस्पर्सिंग मीडियम में डिस्पर्स्ड फेज आके मिक्स होता है, ये चीजें आप ध्यान रखो. अब हम कुछ एग्जांपल्स की बात कर लेते हैं जो दिया है हमारे टेक्स्ट बुक में. बोल रहे हैं कि व्हेन लिक्विड्स आर डिस्पर्स्ड इन अ गैसियस दैट इज कॉल्ड एरोसोल्स. एग्जाम में आपको पूछेंगे एरोसोल्स क्या है. एरोसोल्स इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ गैस एंड लिक्विड, और यू कैन से दैट एरोसोल्स is a mixture in which liquid is mixed into gaseous. For example, cloud or fog. Understood beta? Similarly, when solids are mixed into gaseous, then what it is called? When solid mixed into gaseous, again it is called aerosols. Okay? So aerosols, when the question is come like define aerosols and give example, then you will say that aerosols is a gas in which solid and liquid are mixed. So when liquids are mixed in gaseous, then we will say that cloud and fog. But when solids are mixed in gaseous, then we will say that smoke. Generally, when we will when combustion process take place, or when we will burn something, we know that carbon dioxide will release. So that is the smoke. In smoke, there is a carbon particles are mixed, and carbon particles are in the form of solids. So you can say that जो smoke आपका release होता है burning of anything or burning of fuel, that is called smoke. Next one, when gases are mixed into liquid. जब गैस आपका मिक्स्ड होगा लिक्विड में, तब हम क्या बोलेंगे बेटा उसको? दैट इज कॉल्ड फोम. फोम आपने सुना होगा, शेविंग क्रीम जो हम घर पे यूज करते हैं उसको हम फोम बोलते हैं. सो शेविंग क्रीम मीन्स शेविंग क्रीम इज अ लिक्विड मटेरियल इन विच सम गैसेज आर मिक्स्ड. तो जब हम उसको फेस पे करते हैं, एट दैट टाइम पार्टिकल ऑफ गैसेज आर मिक्स्ड एंड देन इट विल बिकम अ फोम. ओके, झाग, जिसको ऐसे हम कपड़े धोते हैं तो उस टाइम झाग आता है, दैट इज लाइक अ फोम. सो व्हेन गैसेस आर मिक्स्ड इनटू लिक्विड, दैट इज कॉल्ड फोम. एन एग्जांपल इज शेविंग क्रीम. सिमिलरली, नेक्स्ट, व्हेन लिक्विड प्रेजेंट इन लिक्विड, व्हाट हैपन? व्हेन dispersing medium and dispersed phase both are in liquid state, and that time it is called emulsion. Okay beta? And examples of emulsion are milk. In milk is in liquid state. We know that in water state, and in liquid state there is fat and proteins are present, which is in liquid state as well. When liquid and liquid are mixed into each other, then we will say that it is a emulsion state. Now when solid mix into liquid, जब solid mix होगा liquid में, that time it is called sol. An example is, simple example is mud. We know that mud means कीचड़, that is in liquid state, जिसमें solid भी mix होता है, तभी उसको mud बोलते हैं. Similarly, when gaseous are mixed into solid, yes, gaseous can also mixed in solid, and it is also known as foam. Here one more example of foam is when gas are mixed into liquid, that is called foam, and gas is mixed into solid, again it is known as foam. And simple example is sponge. Sponge के अंदर हमें पता है कि गैस प्रेजेंट होती है, जब उसको हम प्रेस करेंगे तो गैस रिमूव हो जाती है. सिमिलरली, व्हेन लिक्विड प्रेजेंट इन सॉलिड, व्हेन लिक्विड प्रेजेंट इन सॉलिड, इट इज नोन एज जेल. जेल जैसे बटर और चीज. सो बटर एंड चीज आर in semi-solid state. Semi-solid state, why? Because in solid liquids are present. Okay, and last, when two solids are mixed into each other, these are the examples of colloidal solution, just note it down. When solids are mixed into solid, that is called again sol or solid sol. Okay beta, and examples are milky glass, gemstone. Okay, gemstone or milky glass. Okay, so from next video we will start separating of components of mixture. Thank you beta.